songs will repeat. Phonics make our learning sweet. One by one the words will...
Hi teachers! So this video is for all the teacher ng toddlers or the one who are forming the foundation, especially in PT po ng mga toddlers or nursery. So some of the students wants lang to play and ayaw na ayaw talaga nila mag-read. But as teacher, of course, we need to help them to build a foundation. So paano natin uumpisahan yon? Paano natin yon i-accept challenge accepted. And so let me show you a video na isa sa mga ginawa kong strategy para ma-measure or ma-assess kung si student ba ay nakaka-read or nakakabasa. Kasi may mga student kasi na nakakabasa naman talaga sila. Like, natututunan naman talaga sila, na-absorb naman talaga nila yung mga naturo mo. It's just that kapag pinabasa mo na sila, tamad na talaga sila, like bored na sila. So one way po na para ma-solve natin yung issue na yan is to let them read or to play while they are reading or playing. It's not like you are playing, papalabasin mo na you are playing with them. But the truth is, they are reading. So here it is. So, right on my screen. So this one. So first is kinakailangan ko hold on.
Letter.
First is kinakailangan ko munang i-assess kung alam ba ni student ko yung first letter kasi we are learning from earlier kasi we are learning unwords like from the unfamily or CVC, which is the unwords or group. So tinitingnan ko kung alam niya talaga yung first letter ng mga words. Okay, so here it is. Like, this strategy is parang pretending or you're fooling around like hindi mo alam, ganyan. Like, basta parang nagpapagas ka, ganyan. So here it is.
I cannot write it.
On the other space. You can write it on the other space. How about the letter What letter is that?
Oh, okay. Oh my God.
Okay, can you write on the screen the letter
B.
Okay, great job. How about the letter
I'm gonna. Oh my God.
The letter
T.
Yeah. Can you please write the letter
How do you remove this?
You don't need to remove that. Just write it on the space. There's lots of space to write on. Okay, great job. How about the letter
It's not just my EPS. The ponytail. What is that F? Oh, it's
Ayan, mga teacher, as you can see po, alam talaga ni student kung ano po yung mga sounds ng first letter ng CVC na babasahin namin, no? Just na tinatamad sila. So, another example po that I'm going to show is another video. This one. Ito naman is yung literal talaga na tinamad sila. May mga ganun po kasing estudyante na tinatamad talaga silang magbasa. Pag pinabasa mo, sasabihin nila, no. Ayan. So, hold on for a second. Wait lang. So, this, another strategy ulit is this one. So, this one is very common kapag ako'y nagpapabasa ng batang tinatamad or naboboard sa pagbabasa for assessment purposes lang, no? Yan.
okay. Oh my God.
This time, hindi natin alam na nagbabasa hindi niya namamalayan na nagbabasa siya. Okay, do you want
Kala
niya
niya to do
naglalaro lang siya pero
You're just going to
nagbabasa
answer
siya.
yes or no?
Yan.
Yes.
Okay.
This man goes.
Okay, this one. Where should I connect this? Should I connect it here?
No.
Very good, Min. How about here?
No.
How about here?
Yes.
Very good. How about this one? Where should I connect this? Should I connect it here?
No.
Here?
No.
Here?
Yes.
You sure?
No.
Here?
Yes.
Very good. How about this one? Where should I connect it? Should I connect it here?
No.
Here?
No.
Here?
Yes.
Here? You sure?
No. I think it's on the palm.
How about, very good. Okay, how about this one? Where should I connect it? Should I connect it here?
No. Here.
Okay, very good. How about this one? Where should I connect it?
Not that one.
Here.
That one.
Very
Yes.
good. Okay, how about this one?
Yes.
Okay, great job. You did a perfect score. So how many stars is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, with that activity, ayan, with that activity, sure na talaga akong nakakabasa sila, no? Kasi we already do the assessment. Pero I just really wanted to, dito, make sure na talagang nakakabasa sila on their own. So, another strategy that I do is playing again with them and then calling whatever they want or gawin kung anong gusto nila habang ginagawa nila yung dapat na gawin. Ayan, so let me show you again. So, here po, let me show you. Ayan, kasi ayaw niya talaga magbasa. So, paano ginawa na napabasa siya? Ito makulit talaga, personally, no, makulit talaga itong batang to. Like, kailangan mo siyang utu-utuin. Actually, ganun naman talaga ang problem sa mga bata. Kaya when you are teaching a toddler or mga beginner student, especially nag-form ng foundation, kailangan mo ng sobrang habang pasensya. Kailangan mo silang sabayan. Kailangan mong sakyan lahat ng trip nila. Katulad po nito. So, ganito ang trip niya ngayon. Or, May, na perfect score. Great job.
Okay, after that, no more.
After that, we're going to read for the last time, okay?
I don't like to read.
Ay,
I want games.
see, yeah. I know that, but you have to try at least to try, okay? Just try.
Okay, I don't like to read. I don't know how to read.
You know. Look,
don't-
you answered the against perfectly nga eh. That means you know how to read. You're just being what? You're being what?
I want to be a teacher.
Yeah, okay. So you will, you know, you want to be a teacher someday?
Yes.
Then you should know how to read, okay?
When I grow up, what I'm gonna be?
You said teacher, right? You just said it. Is it?
Yeah.
Is it? Okay. Okay, teacher May, can you read it? Can you read something for me, teacher May? Can you read this one, teacher May? Okay, let's pretend that you are my teacher. Can you read this one, teacher? I don't know how to read this one. Teacher, can you read this one for me? Very good, teacher. How about this one, teacher? Can you read this for me? I don't know that word. Very good, teacher. How about this one, teacher May? Can you read this for me? I don't know that. Very good. How about this one, teacher? Can you read this one for me? Very good, teacher. How about this one, teacher? Can you read this one, teacher, for me? Again, teacher.
Okay.
What is the sound of another again, teacher? Teacher May? Okay, so when we read it together, it will be
It will be.
very good, teacher. Let's start again. What color is this? What color is that? This one, this one. Hello,
That is
teacher.
low.
Teacher May, can you read this one for me? Because I don't know this word. Can you know?
Yes.
Okay, can you read it?
What is okay? There's another.
Can you read it for me? I don't know the word. Do you know?
Yes.
Okay, can you tell me?
X.
What color is this?
What color? Brown.
And Minnie, it's sun. So this one is
sun.
Okay, thank you, teacher. How about this one, teacher? Can you read this one for me?
Read it.
Yes, teacher. Very good. How about this one, teacher? What is that? Very good, teacher. You can get teacher now because you're good at reading. You already did the onwards. Okay, so that will be. So, yung pinabasa ko sa kanya is words. Ayan, an group of words. Ayan. So, kaya ganon. So, ang hirap ka talaga papasahin. Kaya kinakailangan ko mag-isip ng impromptu na, alam mo yung parang agad-agaran na strategy kasi when yung mood niya, actually hindi naman siya palaging ganyan. Like kanina lang na parang tamad na tamad siya. Ayan. So, yun lang po. I hope you learned something from this video.